hostile entering the system, sir.
Red alert,
They are
shields
powering
up.
up their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Shield is drained.
Yes, sir.
Integrity at 75%. Target's hull has been breached, Captain.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. Sir, that's the last of them. I believe we're in the clear.
That was not really the kind of party I was expecting.
Cancel red alert. Aye, Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Our phaser array has been damaged. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 100%.
Yes, Captain.